Hi guys, today I want to show you how to create royalty music with Mubert AI. So first log into your Mubert AI with your Google account. This will be done in a minute. After that, you'll be directed to this page where it says Generate Track, so you can upload an image here of your track or add anything, a prompt. For example, generate classic music. For example, add type of result you want, a track or a mix or a jingle. You can also set the duration, but this is a premium option. You can also choose genre. You can select, for example, Italian disco. The mood of the music you want to generate, romantic activities. If you want to generate activity music, for example, let's choose nature. And you can, after this, click on Generate Track and Mubert AI will start generating your track depending on your requirements and options you selected here. So this is pretty much it, guys. This is a very simple tool to use to create free copyright music. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.